miscellaneous Dodge, and he was the one that brought the trailer in case any of us had an issue. So now we're driving 20 minutes away in the shop truck with a homemade hitch we made fit to grab his trailer to go back and get Mason's 55 because the fuel pump decided to take a crap when we went to leave. So luckily Sean's truck's got to go to the dealership so we can at least go steal his trailer. But yeah, it's all part of the fun, man. If it was easy, anybody would do it. Shop truck cruising 70. Be there in a little bit. Wanted to haul the car with this thing, but didn't really want to do it like this. So we got to the trailer.
On you, but hey, I still came through for you.
Hey Sean, remember when we were giving you crap about driving the new truck down here?
Oh yeah, that thing took a crap.
Yeah, that sucks. What happened, man? Seriously, what happened though?
We came out onto that main and went to accelerate and got to about 60 mile an hour.
It doesn't hook. There's no hooky.
This is really sketchy.
Yeah, we'll figure that out.
And you have lights?
No.
Also no.
Good job.
Sean.
Good job.
But is it leaking oil or anything?
So basically what happened is we were driving down the road and we all of a sudden we started hearing this noise. We're like, okay, what the heck is that? We were just like, okay, fine, we're gonna go get something to eat. We'll figure it out once we get out. We get up to that light over there, and all of a sudden the truck starts shaking and the whole oil gauge goes 40 pounds, 0. And we're like,
man. Yeah, we'll take the messed up fuel pump over that. Well, luckily it should be under warranty. It's new enough.
well, the dipstick smells like diesel.
Ooh.
And the dipstick is full.
Ooh.
I got black clear up the soup, so.
But, well, we're gonna hook this trailer up, figure out how to do it somewhat safely, and then we're gonna go back, hook the 55 up, and head home. Well, we got back, got the car loaded up. Let's see if the blue truck can haul it an hour back home. Yep. Turns out, the light on this phone is way brighter than I thought it was. Also turns out, the old shop truck's fuel pump's a little weak. But on the flip side, we got lawn chairs and we got coolers. And you know what's in the coolers. So we sent Dad back. We're about 45 minutes from home. Gonna grab a fuel pump. Some other miscellaneous stuff. And just like that, a fuel pump and tools is delivered. Well, Dad brought the old chrome will get you home fuel pump. And I think we're gonna pull that filter out, see if it's clogged up first. If it isn't clogged up, then we'll change it out. But so throw this thing together. It is now what, 1 o'clock?
Yep.
Dollar General has no sales going on tomorrow, so there is no reason for us to be here. It's definitely not Black Friday, so. Well, Dad, thanks for the help. Under about an hour of fighting this push rod. And thankfully, they gave us a free t-shirt at the car show today because I got drenched in gas changing that out. And then I burnt the crap out of myself on the header right there. Yep, that hurts. Everything seems to be doing okay. Spoke too soon. Oh, it's just an overflow. That's fine. That'll be alright. But we hit the road. We got what, probably about 45 minutes left. Somebody else definitely been partying out here at Dollar General, I can tell you that. Oh, wasn't us. No glass bottles. I gotta pick our tools up. Start heading. Hopefully we make it. Bike shop Cycles. And also want to give a big thanks to Sean for letting us steal your trailer.